Hi guys, because is here again, continuing on with another toy review. Just did a review of this guy, now I'm going to review Spacegodzilla. Some of you may ask of why his crystals here are painted red. Well, I did that. His crystals were red at the top in the movie, and I kind of decided, why not paint them all red? Why not paint these guys red? Just entirely. And I did. And it was pretty good. Pretty good looking. I like it. It's better than the candy, than like the, you know, corn candy, whatever you want to call it. That was like your stupid. See, the tail's nice and long, which it's supposed to be. Bad Creations did something right when they made this guy. And then the tail, he's got, looks just like he did in the movie. So yeah. Articulation points. 1, 2. His arms can't move 360, but I'm not bothered by that. This one moves, his head moves 360. His tail right here moves at 360, and another point right here. So yeah. Articulation. Wait, I already did that. I'm losing track of what I'm doing. I don't like it. Detail on this guy is good. Like his detail. Got little ruffles on between the shoulders here, which I like. Detail on the crystal spines back here is very nice. Right here, down here, all the way to the crystal spike at the end of his tail. I don't know if his character actually had like just all these spines running down and all of a sudden it stopped, but this is strange to me. Detail under the tail is good. Like it. They did a good job on the Bandai Creation does a good job on like the Heisei ones of the Godzilla series and some of the Showa. Why can't they do a good job on the Millennium figures? Makes no sense. Anyway, paint job, I like this. It's very nice. Kind of like a scarlet brick red here, and darkish charcoal black. It's very nice. And the head, top of the, the frill here, it's very nice. His eyes, although he kind of looks dumb. He's kind of got like one of those limping eyes. Like on the side here, he looks cool. On the other side, he looks cool because it looks like he's looking straight at you. But then it's like, the heck. Anyway, size comparison with Kiryu here. He's bigger than him, which should, well, they should actually be the same size. Should be like right there. Anyway, this is my review of Spacegodzilla. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and goodbye.